Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Devre. I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Engineering, MET's IOE, Bhujbal Knowledge City, Nashik. I welcome you all for the course introduction session of third year Computer Engineering, Embedded Systems and Internet of Things. Nowadays, there is huge demand for the embedded devices because of their dedicated functionality, low power dissipation, and lower cost. Also, the demand of Internet of Things is growing faster for solving the human life problems and for making human life better. This course consists of three parts: prerequisite course, course outcome, and course contents. IoT is a network of different embedded devices. So, prerequisite course is a computer network for this course. After completion of the course, student can achieve the following course outcomes. So, student can implement an architectural design for IoT. Also, they can solve the societal challenges with the help of the Internet of the Things. Also, for any IoT challenge, student can select the better technology and better devices. Next part is course content. Here, unit number 1 consists of the introduction to embedded system, which involves the real-time system, basics of the processor, and system on chip. Now, next part in this unit is introduction to the Internet of Things. It involves the design of the Internet of Things, issues in the IoT, as well as the challenges and applications for the IoT. Next unit is based on the IoT platform design methodology. It consists of total 10 steps which are required for developing any IoT application. Unit number 3 focuses on the pillars of the IoT as well as the physical devices. Now pillars of the IoT involves the M2M, RFID, SCADA and WSN. Also it involves the explanation of the devices Raspberry Pi, BeagleBoard and other IoT devices. Unit number 4 focuses on the protocols and the security of the IoT. So protocol is required for communication in between different IoT devices as well as it explains the security challenges for the IoT and also the security model for the IoT. Unit number 5 is based on the Web of Things and Cloud of Things. Now here comparison in between IoT and WOT is given as well as WOT portals and business intelligence is explained. Now in Cloud of Things it includes different cloud computing models. Last unit contains IoT physical servers, cloud offerings, and different IoT case studies. Now here it involves different cloud storage model. For example, Zivli Cloud, Amazon Web Services, as well as the Skynet IoT messaging platform. Now the case study involves the home intrusion detection, weather monitoring system, air pollution monitoring, as well as the smart irrigation system. So in this way we can learn the subject. So here we finish with the course introduction session. Thank you.